next Chairman's Circle awardee, the #1 water refilling equipment provider in the Philippines. Put your hands together for Water Max Enterprises.
Thank you. Thank you so much, World Class Global Awards, for 6 consecutive years of our #1 in excellence of water refilling station manufacturer in the Philippines. Please continue supporting our products, and thank you sa mga customers ng kumpanya namin. Gusto ko lang din ibigay yung mga thoughts ko kung paano namin nagagawa yung pagiging #1 na ito. Always do the right thing. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Dalawang malaki.